Oh, hey Houston. Hey John Wick.
Hey, Dallas.
Yeah, hey.
So, how was Operation Mall Crusher?
Pretty good, but there's like 7 million skull soldiers.
He's exaggerating, dude. It was more like two. He's just too pussy to say it.
Screw you. Alright, so what did we miss when we were gone?
Nothing much. Things have been the same. But we are getting a new heister that's joining the team.
Oh, really? What's the name?
Her name is Bonnie. Man, this paint job is gonna be so good. Alright, Houston. Okay, the computer's set for you to use it now. Alright, I'm gonna go pick up Bonnie now.
Alright, thanks. Come on. Stupid game crash. We always get bad Wi-Fi here. Screw this. I'm just gonna watch some soccer. Let's go, Chicago Fire!
Hello, Ben. Dallas will be right back.
Hey everyone, I'd like you to meet Bonnie.
Hi, I'm Bonnie.
Okay, Bonnie. This is a map of Washington, D.C. You see those little, checkpoints, like the orange ones? That's where our future heists are going to be. This is John Wick and, Jim, or Hoxton.
Hi, Jim.
Dallas, you fucking twat! Why are you bringing so many people to the gang? Hoxton, calm down. You complain way too much, man. And this is my brother, Houston.
Hi.
Hello.
Dallas, the phone for you.
Thanks, Dragon.
Hi, Bunny. I'm a dragon.
Hello, I'm Clover. Nice to meet you, Clover.
This is Wolf and Jacket.
Oh, hi, Bonnie.
Hi, I am Jacket.
Alright, guys. Gather up. Oh, another one of Dallas's shitty announcements. Alright, guys, listen. Alright, we're gonna do 3 heists today. The first one is gonna be a car shop. Let's do that. And Bonnie, this is your mask.
Thanks.
Keep it quiet till you get the cars. I can't afford to the cops shooting them up. I'll tell you when to plant the C4. I am ready to roll out, Dallas.
Alright, let's go.
You twitch, I shoot. Got it!
Kneeling position. Stay calm and don't panic.
Happy to report that everything here is totally fine and there are no break-ins whatsoever.
They recently hired a new IT guy. If we can get into his computer, I should be able to get the door open. Look for some clues to who this guy is and find his PC. Okay, it looks like the new employee that they hired is named Joe Smith. Time to look for his computer. I have found it. I'm in. Just give me a minute. Alright, I'll have that log open soon. Head back to the van and grab the C4. Might as well get the escape ready. Time to plant the bomb known as C4.
You have arrived at your destination.
Go get the C4.
Alright, let's go. Alright, guys, this is once again stealth. Don't worry, you loud guys, you'll get your chance in the next heist.
Get into those cars and find the one with the turret.
Hey, Dallas, how come we can't go out there and do stealth?
Yep, it's boring, but we've done it before, Chains.
Get down on the ground.
Oh, I totally fell asleep there.
What did I just say? Get down on the ground.
Hey, Clover, let's put them in this small compartment.
Get up and follow him.
Do what I say.
Remember to keep 5 centers away from the drill. They might notice the sound.
Fire our drill bigger.
No backup needed.
What the heck is a skull doing here? No! I got you, Houston.
Where's the thermal drill?
Wow, we need the thermal drill.
Seconds, guys. No waiting. Be ready. Pilot just signaled that he's deploying the lance. He's done his job. Now do yours. The chopper just out for the turret. Valuable, but not the main prize. Get the turret, and then come back for this ordnance.
Okay, Wolf, do not drop this. This ammo is very, very valuable.
Oh, what'd you say? Oh, yeah, I can do that.
Everything's fine. Just a little clumsy is all.
Oh, no, I didn't call you.
Everybody, okay, good. Now there's a
Put down the rail.
Hoxton, don't you worry your pretty little British head. I've got a key card. Hey, send out the thermal drill. Guys, the turret parts are in there. Go get them.
position. You know what to do. Good job. Now get it to the pickup.
Yeah, we pulled it off. Fantastic.
Now, Bonnie, this next heist is very hard. We're going to the Murky Water facility. We're taking a secret package and giving it to Vlad. You think you're up for it?
Yeah.
Get up.
The vault is going to be in one of these murky water shipping containers. Check them.
Thanks. Drop your weapon. You work for me now.
Shit in your pants proudly, like a badge of honor.
It's another skull dozer. That was easy. Just in case any more policemen don't think about coming, I'll just set up a C4. Hey, what's a crowbar doing here?
I found one too. Alright guys, I found it, but we need 2 crowbars to get it open. There you go. We both got 2. Thanks.
Sometimes wishes do come true.
You're right, Wolf.
Thanks.
Not up in this fool. Oh, my wrist.
That's what you get trying to be a thug. Hey, Jacket, go check on the time on the thingy.
Okay, Doubtless. Okay, guys, approximately 60 seconds left.
Why do we even need crowbars anyway? What the hell is this purpose? It's because the safe is refrigerated.
What does Vlad even want? Run, freezer, burn meat?
Nice one, John.
Now, after all that babbling of yours, there are 50 seconds left.
Where are the cops going?
They're retreating, but they're gonna come back.
Ammo bag, come reload your guns.
It's super effective.
That's a confirmed sighting. Back, fall back.
What the hell? Is that a nuke? Bane?
That can't be a goddamn nuke. Vlad? Vlad, smashing malls is one thing. Stealing tiaras is one thing, but nukes?
Keep calm, you think, baby. Boy, I'm very far away. Probably won't even you.
I'll get it. Lower your gun.
Oh, shit. You're on my side. Okay, Vlad, where to now?
I got a train ready. Not too far away. Find the warhead. Hurry! Straight ahead. Now fail. Leave Vlad with his nukes.
Thank you, man, for delivering my nukes. I know he was hard task, and he'll probably mad at me, but don't worry. That's for you, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, and Ben, I'd like you to meet someone. I think he might be very valuable member to your gang. What's his name? Sokol. Sokol is his name.